Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be telling you the basics of SHAREfactory. So, when you load in SHAREfactory, there are 5 options right here. Animated GIFs, social, import content, photos, or videos. So, you go in videos and start a new project. And then pick a theme you would like to do. So, I'm gonna pick Fortnite theme right here. And then you want to make sure you uncheck mark these 4 clips right here because they're just intros that you don't really need. And then pick a clip you want to work on. So I'm gonna pick this one right here. Start project, and then you can rename it or continue. Now it's gonna load you into this. So let's get into the basics. So let's say you want to split the clip. To split it, just pick a place. So I'm gonna split it right here. So I'm gonna press square. It's gonna on the top row you'll see split clip, and then press split clip, and then pick the part you don't wanna where you wanna split. All right. So let's say I wanna split it right here. Split clip, and let's say I don't need this extra thing right here. So I'm gonna press square and delete it right here. And also to add transitions, you basically just split clip, and then just press circle and just press X, and then on the bottom right you'll see transitions. So you add transitions and then pick a transition you like. There's cinematics, there's dissolve, there's wipes, there's comic. So I'm gonna go with comic right here, panel 2, and this is how it's gonna look. And yeah, so next up, let's say you want to record audio. So to record audio, you press X and then go to add track 2 and um, just start from the beginning and press X, and it's gonna show you 3 options: record video, record audio, and add clip. So I'm gonna go and record audio. It's gonna give you a countdown, and then it's gonna give you 5 to 0, and then just have to go. Hey, what's up guys? It's my testing, and that's basically how it's gonna sound. And yeah, so also to upload this on YouTube or any other things, you press circle. So it's gonna give you 4 options: exit without saving, save project and exit, save video and exit, or share video and exit. You want to go and share video and exit. It's gonna load up to 100%, and then it's just gonna give you a few options you can upload it on. Just pick any that you want to upload it on, and that's pretty much it. That's how you upload it on YouTube. And yeah, that is it, the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and share this to your friends and other people that you might know to help them out. And I hope you had a good day. Stay safe, and just yeah.